Hello everyone, this is Jeffy Jebastin. Today we're going to be seeing the second experiment of Compiler's lab, which is the symbol table. Now, our second experiment is basically a continuation of the first, which is token separation. Going to our first program, we see in token separation, we basically have three steps, which is I take the number of input lines, whether it is multiple or single line. I'm going to take it in the first run, and the second I'm going to combine those lines using mstring. In mstring I combine all those lines with only white space between them, so I'm combining the multi-line statements into a single string. Now after that I'm going to compare each of them using two for loops. I'm going to compare them if they are operators or keywords or punctuations or identifiers. So these are the three steps which we've used in the first experiment. Now as you can see, the second experiment, which is symbol table, consists of the very same the intake of the input of the statements, then the operators, keywords, punctuation, the identifiers, and the assignment operator also specified. Now the next step would be to put it in a symbol table with its respective the identifiers with its respective data types. So here again we use two loops, which is j, k, and I'm going to compare each string if it is equal to operators or keywords, identifiers, punctuation or delimiters. Now all of this is pretty much the same, except for the fact that it is going to be displayed in a table wise in a symbol table. Uh, there is only one difference, which is if a comma is being used, if it is int a comma b, then in the symbol table the output which is supposed to be displayed is int a int b. For that we've used the logic as j minus 2, which is the second loop, minus two values which would go back, which would trace it back to its original data type and display the data type along with its identifier. Now let's check the output. I'm going to give it as 1 and int a comma b. As you can see, int a int b. Let's try running that again. Yes, as you can see, it is being displayed properly in the required syntax. With this we complete our second experiment of Compiler's lab. Thank you.